Hi guys, it's me Teacher Gon. In our today's video, we will talk about how to calculate the slope of a line given 2 points. So without further ado, let's do this topic. This is the formula na ginagamit natin on how to calculate the slope. We have m, it stands for the slope, m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. This y sub 2, y sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 1 represents the coordinates of the given 2 points. So let's have here. In the first example, the given coordinates of the 2 points are 2, negative 2, and the other is 4 and 8. So before natin gamitin yung mismo formula natin guys, lagyan natin label yung bawat coordinate. Here, since this is the first point, we can assign this one as x sub 1 and y sub 1. This is your second point. This is your x sub 2 and y sub 2. In using this formula, all you need to do is to substitute first these given values to the corresponding variable. So let's start with letter m is equal to your y sub 2, which is equal to 8, minus your y sub 1, which is negative 2. Since negative yan, you will enclose it into parentheses para malaman mo na you need to multiply the signs. Over your x sub 2, which is 4, minus your x sub 1, which is equal to 2. So gawin natin dito, simplify natin. Your 8, and this one, negative times negative is positive. 2 over 4 minus 2. And that is equal to 2. And simplifying your numerator, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 over 2. And as you can see, as we simplify this fraction, 10 over 2 is simply equal to 5. And this is now the value of our slope. As you can see, since the slope is 5, meaning if we are going to graph or plot these 2 points, it will give us a line that represents or na mayroong positive slope. Let's have item number 2. In item number 2, the coordinates are 0, negative 5, 3, and 4. The first point is your x sub 1 and y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. What will happen here, guys, is that, again, using this formula, m is equal to 4. Your y sub 1 is negative, so minus, parenthesis negative 5 over x sub 2 is equal to 3, minus your x sub 1, which is 0. Simplify your numerator, this is 4. Then same with item number 1, negative times negative is positive, so plus 5 over 3 minus 0 is 3. Simplify the numerator. Your 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 divided by 3 or over 3. And as you can see, it will give us the slope of 3. So that's it guys. I hope na nakuha niyo yung lesson natin on how to calculate for the slope of a line given 2 points and using this formula. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe at i-hit na rin yung bell button for you to be updated sa ating latest uploads. Again, it's me Teacher Gon. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye!